morning. It was a hot and humid night. Everything's wet. Like 200% humidity. Look at this. Whew. It's going to be very warm today. There's a weather warning over 30 degrees. So the plan is to reach the first couple of towns before peak time. Stop there, get everything out to dry, relax, enjoy a swim or two, and then leave later on when it's not gonna be cooler, but the sun is not gonna be peaking. So I got almost 2 kilometers on the road, a little bit over a mile. It's like a zebra spider. Not exactly what I wanted to see. Whew. It's hot. It's humid. Refill. Welcome back. I just took a very long break. Everything's dry now. I took a long swim in this beautiful sea. Look at that. Oh, it's calling my name. So I just left that place, Castel d'Arsenal, something like that. I want to get to that place, some park, and pass it and then find a camp spot. It's 5:30, so I've got about 2.5 hours before sunset, and I don't want to leave it too late because I left it too late yesterday, and by the time I was having dinner I could barely see what I was doing. So I'm gonna try and set up camp, or at least eat, before it goes completely dark. Look at that broken branch, just hanging on for dear life on the other tiny branch. That's what I was looking at, because I could hear like a that's what was making that sound, like a door opening and closing, a creaking wood on wood. This is the spot I found in this clearing. There was no private property sign, so I'm hoping I'm not trespassing in any farmer's land. But the trail is right behind those trees, and there's the main road, which is somewhere back there, because I can hear traffic going. There's loads of holes in the ground, like this one, and I don't know which animal makes these holes. Is it worms? Is it spiders? Is it wasps? Rain is forecast for tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Even though at the moment it doesn't look like it's gonna rain. Apparently it's gonna go on all day into the afternoon. So I don't wanna cover it with the waterproof thing because I think it's gonna be too hot again. But I'm gonna pitch it at one end so that in case it rains overnight, even though it shouldn't, I can just pull it over quickly. This feels extremely Spanish. Good morning, everyone. I survived the night, the lightning, the thunderstorms, the rain. I don't think I slept much, maybe an hour by morning. Most things are wet, that's why they're in the bag. So the plan is get to Playa de Fornell. I have a room there. I just booked it yesterday. Well, this morning at 2 a.m. And I'll spend the night there and carry on in the morning. Because rain is forecast for the rest of the day, even though right now it doesn't look too bad. It's a bit of a bummer because I made good progress in these 2 days. I went further than I thought I would. So we'll see how it goes. Starting to rain again. It's just too hot to wear the waterproofs. I've got the trousers, but I'm not gonna wear the top. I am in number 6. Close.